Hello students, today we are going to see how to write a program for a single linked list and what are the different operations that can be performed on a single linked list. So let's start. Whenever we want to write a program for a single linked list, we want to define the structure first for a node. So the structure for a node is defined using this code here, struct node, okay, that defines the name of the structure. So the name of our structure is node, and we are having two data members. So we are having data member 1 is int data, and data number 2 is we are defining one data type of the structure itself, that is a pointer named as link. What this will basically do is, in future whenever we allocate memory, it will create a node of this type. So the node will have two parts, data part and the link part. So in order to allocate memory of this type, we need to define this structure. Without this structure, we cannot define this node. In future, we cannot allocate memory for this node. Okay? And then we are defining one pointer q here. That q will be used to point to the first node of our single linked list. Q will be used always to point to the first node of a single linked list. Got it? So remember, this structure is used to create these nodes in future. So right now the nodes do not exist. We do not have any single linked list with us as of now. So we are this is just like how an architect has drawn the drawing plan for a house. Because he has drawn the plan for the house on the paper, it does not mean that the house already exists. So you can think that we have drawn the plan for how the node will look in future. The plan for the node in future is defined like this. So it will have two parts, a data part and a link part. And we are going to use this pointer q to point to the first node of a single linked list. So our plan for this structure will look something like this in diagrammatic form. So if you want to see in a diagram form, it will look something like this, and q will be pointing here, and there will be some memory address that will be present for that node. Okay. So now every program always starts with a main program. Since we do not have any nodes with us, initially we define that we do not have any nodes with us with this programming statement by saying q is equal to null. When we say q is equal to null, it means that we do not have any linked list present with us. Therefore, q is equal to null. Then we are having various operations that we can perform on a single linked list, like creating the first node, then append function, adding a node at the end of a linked list, then add at the beginning, adding a node at the beginning of a linked list, then add after, that is adding a node in the middle of a linked list, and then we are having the delete function, which will be used to delete a node at the beginning of a linked list or delete a node anywhere in the linked list. And then we are having also the display function, which will be used to display all the data that is present in our linked list. So one by one we'll be going through all these operations that we can perform on a single linked list. So remember, in our main program, we have set q equal to null because we do not have a linked list with us as of now. One by one we are going to go through this function, so I will not be showing you the main function again. So please remember, we have already defined our main function. Okay.